Hey guys, this is Danielle here with the Appleton Byrider. I am hopping on really quick just to remind you that Wisconsin's weather is very unpredictable, and here at Byrider we do have in-house service, which means that all of our Byrider customers do have access to the service department right here in store. I want to remind you that with the upcoming months, fall and winter a couple weeks away, we want you driving confidently, knowing that your vehicle is not going to break down during the winter and fall seasons. If you want to learn more details about our service department, please do give us a call. The phone number here is 920-749-7979. Otherwise, you can just stop right in. The address here is 2301 West College Avenue in Appleton, Wisconsin, 54914. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day. Bye.